friends, today we are going to do an experiment called Rainbow Rain. In this you need a torch, oil, a jar, another jar filled with water, food colors and a spoon. First you need to pour a little oil into the jar. Then you can mix 1 drop of the food colors. One drop. Then you can mix it. Look at that. It looks like drops. It did not get mixed. Now you need to pour it in the water and let's see if it rainbows. It's coming down. Look. Okay, now let's off the light and see it with the torch. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh?
Can you explain why this happened?
It happened because watercolors are water-based density and heavier than oil. So after some time they start coming down and mixing into the water.